Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you assets, insight and management. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard, total assets, total company, total maintenance, total employee, then assets by type, assets by status, recent assets activity, recent company activity, then another option assets. You can add assets and all assets in here. You can edit, delete, detail and check out. Then companies, you can add companies, click add data, then similar, check out details, edit and delete. Then maintenance, you can add data, edit and also delete. Then depreciation list, you can add data, edit and delete. Then assets type, you can create, type and delete, also edit. Then brands, you can add brands, edit and delete. Suppliers, similar pattern. Then location, then employees, you can add employees, edit and delete. Departments, and report, you can see report as company activity report, report by type, report by status, report by supplier, report by location. Then settings, can customize. Okay, if you want this software, check out link in the description below. Thank you.